So this is a simulator. It's a wheelchair race, and we are about to play a game. You have to press this little black button right here. And yeah, my sister is putting on her gloves. Yes, yes. And guess what, y'all? I'm about to win this game. Just want to let you all know. So let's go ahead and play.
No, she's not about to win because she thought that this had foot pedals.
No, no, I did not. Let's go ahead and clear the air. All right, bye.
What's going on?
Yes, so we are in Unlock, and it is a museum that's filled with different things with science and technology. And right here, what we're gonna do is, it's a beam that's straight across here, and it's used to test your balance. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely see that you are on top of the building. And literally, I am afraid of heights. I don't know about you all.
That is crazy.
But we're gonna give it a try. Let's see how this goes.
Ooh, don't fall. Don't fall, Gabby. Oh, that's awesome.
But it does feel like, you know, you're walking up, you know, high up. So this is really interesting. This is really interesting.
Pretty cool.
You gotta give it a try.
Yeah. There you go. Okay. Alright, so I'm the balance master. I don't even need to look at this, you know. But I'm going to test. Why did they give me something that's like difficult? This is pretty cool. Hey. Oh, alright. Oh! This is crazy. Because it's like, it makes it feel like, you know, you're moving. And your balance is off, you know? But if you go on it, that's crazy because it moves and
it moves. That's what gets you. Wow.
Cool. All right. So apparently this is the. Have you ever seen Iron Man? I know you guys have seen Iron Man. This is a holographic type of, I guess, entertainment system area thing. And one thing that's pretty cool about it is that you can touch it and it actually recognizes your fingerprints as actually pressing a button on a computer screen or something like that.
Oh, okay, can you demonstrate?
So we're gonna go to English, right? We're gonna press English, and as you see, everything here turns to English, which is pretty awesome. You could click, this is different type of muscles, tendons, nerves, bones, joints, ligaments, etc. Now if I pick, let's say calf, I click that, and you know, you have all your information about the calf muscle out there. One thing that's pretty neat is this is not a screen. As you guys can see, this is not a screen. This is actual table, and up here is where the holographic material is coming down and actually displaying onto the table. So this then creates a sort of interactive screen or interactive holographic type of screen where you can press and everything works as a normal screen would. So this is a new age of technology.
Yes, it is.
It's crazy, right? Oh my god, this is mind blowing.
Wow.
Just want to share that with you guys. I think
Yeah.
that's pretty amazing.
And they have other displays around. They have a simulation pretty much for walking and running. And what you can do is you can put your feet right here, and you can kind of pretty much show an example of walking, and
Oh,
it
really?
actually, yes, it does.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and I believe you press one of the buttons and it shows you how many steps you take. I think it's gait cycle. Click gait cycle.
Okay.
No, go back. It's not that one. The change pace. Up, further up. Okay, no, up, that change.
Oh,
There you go. Now this is the screen.
so you go to walking?
Yeah, take some steps with your feet. As she's stepping, you can see this is moving.
I'm getting it.
It has walking, sprinting, jogging. It's really cool.